Now we change to another type of the bottle for testing. First of all, turn on the power switch here. And we choose the English version here. And because we change to another type of bottle, so the volume will be different. So we need to change the parameter here, the filling volume. The volume of this bottle is 24 ml. After setting, we back to the main screen. And because the type of the bottle is the cap pressing, you can see. And the shape is the square. So we don't need a screw capping here. So we need to turn off the screw capping station. Now let me show you how to operate it. Put the bottle to the mold automatically. Filling. After filling, we need to put the pressing cap to the bottle.